Your brain is being secretly rewired every single day, and most people don't realize they're making it weaker. Watch till the end, because these 7 habits can completely change the way your brain works. Think about it. Most people today cannot focus for even 10 minutes. You open your phone for a few seconds, and suddenly 1 hour disappears. You try to work, you try to study, but your brain keeps searching for distractions. Even simple tasks feel mentally exhausting now. And the scary part is, this is becoming normal. But neuroscience shows something shocking. This is not happening because people are becoming lazy. Modern habits are literally changing the way the brain works. Your brain is always adapting. Whatever you repeat every day, your brain becomes stronger at. If you repeat distraction, your brain becomes better at distraction. If you repeat focus, your brain becomes better at focus. And today, we are going to talk about 7 powerful habits that can rebuild your focus, improve mental clarity, strengthen discipline, and completely change the way your brain works. The modern brain problem. Look around today. Most people cannot stay focused for even a few minutes. A person opens their phone for 5 minutes, and suddenly 1 hour disappears. They switch between apps, notifications, videos, messages, music, and their brain never gets real rest. Modern apps are designed to steal attention. Every scroll, every notification, every short video gives the brain tiny dopamine hits. And slowly, the brain becomes addicted to stimulation. This is why normal life starts feeling boring. Reading feels difficult. Studying feels painful. Deep work feels impossible. Even sitting quietly for a few minutes becomes uncomfortable. And many people think they are lazy. But often, their brain is simply overstimulated and exhausted. The modern world is training people to lose focus. But the good news is this: your brain can recover. Because the brain has something called neuroplasticity, and this changes everything. Your brain rewires itself. Your brain is always adapting. Whatever you repeat often, your brain becomes better at. If you repeat distraction every day, your brain becomes better at distraction. If you repeat focus every day, your brain becomes better at focus. This is how neural pathways work. Every repeated behavior strengthens certain brain connections. Think of it like building a road. The more you use the road, the stronger and faster it becomes. This is why habits become automatic over time. Your brain wants to save energy, so repeated behaviors slowly become easier and more natural. That is why bad habits can feel hard to stop, and good habits can feel difficult in the beginning, because your brain is literally adapting to whatever you practice most. This means your daily routine is shaping your future mind. And now let's talk about the habits that can rebuild your brain in the right direction. Habit number 1, train your focus like a muscle. Focus is now one of the rarest skills in the modern world. And sadly, most people are losing it. Every time you switch tasks, check notifications, or multitask, your brain pays a mental price. Scientists call this the switching cost. Your brain needs time to refocus again. And when this happens all day long, mental fatigue increases. Memory becomes weaker, thinking becomes slower, and emotional control also gets worse. But focus works like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Start simple. Every day spend 20 minutes doing only one task. No phone, no multitasking, no checking messages. Just deep focus. At first your brain will resist. You may feel restless. Your brain may keep searching for stimulation. That is normal, because your brain is used to constant dopamine. But over time something powerful happens. Your thinking becomes clearer. Your memory improves. You learn faster. And your mind becomes calmer. A distracted brain creates a distracted life. But a focused brain can change your entire future. Habit number 2, protect your sleep. Many people treat sleep like wasted time. But sleep is one of the most important things for brain health. While you sleep, your brain repairs itself. It removes waste, organizes memories, restores mental energy, and regulates emotions. In fact, poor sleep weakens the prefrontal cortex. This is the part of the brain responsible for self-control, discipline, decision-making, and rational thinking. This is why sleep-deprived people become more impulsive, more emotional, more distracted, and less motivated. A tired brain cannot perform at its best. And over time, chronic sleep deprivation damages focus, memory, and emotional stability. If you want a stronger brain, Protect your sleep seriously. Try sleeping at the same time daily. Reduce screen exposure before bed. Avoid overstimulation late at night. And stop believing that sleeping less means working harder. Because sleep is not weakness. Sleep is brain recovery. Habit number 3, stop dopamine overload. This may be one of the most important habits in the entire video. Today, your brain is under constant attack from stimulation, short videos, endless scrolling, notifications, fast entertainment. Your brain never gets silence anymore. And this creates dopamine overload. Now here is something important. Dopamine is not pleasure. Dopamine is anticipation. It pushes the brain to seek rewards. And when the brain gets too much fast stimulation, normal activities start feeling boring. Studying feels slow. Reading feels difficult. Working feels painful. Your brain starts craving speed all the time. This is why many people cannot focus anymore. Their brain has been trained to expect constant stimulation. But the solution is not extreme dopamine detox trends. The real solution is balance. Allow your brain moments of silence. Walk without using your phone sometimes. Eat without watching videos. Sit quietly for a few minutes. Work without opening 20 tabs. At first, boredom may feel uncomfortable, but boredom is actually healthy for the brain, because silence helps reset attention. And slowly, your focus starts returning again. Your motivation becomes more stable, and simple things begin feeling enjoyable again. Habit number 4, exercise for your brain. Most people think exercise is only for physical appearance, but exercise deeply affects the brain. Movement increases blood flow to the brain. It also releases chemicals linked to learning, memory, mood, and mental clarity. Exercise reduces stress hormones like cortisol, and this matters because chronic stress damages the brain over time. A stressed brain struggles to learn efficiently. This is why exercise often improves thinking and mood almost immediately. And the good news is, you do not need extreme workouts. Simple movement is enough. Walking, running, cycling, strength training, sports, even 20 to 30 minutes daily can make a huge difference. But exercise teaches something even more important, discipline. Because every time you move your body, even when you do not feel motivated, you train your brain to take action. And that habit affects every area of life. Habit number 5, read things that challenge your brain. Most modern content is designed for entertainment, not deep thinking. This is why many people consume information all day, but still struggle to think clearly. Reading is different. Reading forces the brain to focus deeply. It improves imagination, comprehension, memory, and analytical thinking. But the key is this: read things slightly above your current level. Not too easy, not impossible, just challenging enough to force mental growth. Books about psychology, human behavior, business, philosophy, self-improvement, and neuroscience are powerful for brain development. And do not just read passively. Pause sometimes and ask, what is the main idea? Do I agree with this? How can I apply this in real life? This builds critical thinking, and critical thinking is becoming rare today. Fast content trains shallow thinking. Reading trains deep thinking. Even reading 10 pages daily can slowly transform the way your brain works. Habit number 6, learn emotional control. Many intelligent people still make bad decisions because they cannot control emotions. Anger, stress, fear, impulsiveness. These emotions can completely take over the brain, and when emotions control your thinking, mental clarity disappears. This is why emotional intelligence is so important. One simple habit can change everything. Pause before reacting. Even waiting a few seconds gives the rational part of the brain time to catch up. Another powerful trick is this: instead of saying, I am angry, say, I notice anger. This creates psychological distance. And that small distance helps you think more clearly. But emotional control is also connected to physical health. Poor sleep, stress, overstimulation, lack of exercise, all weaken emotional stability. A calm brain makes better decisions, and better decisions create a better life. Habit number 7, choose consistency over motivation. Most people wait for motivation, and that is why they stay inconsistent, because motivation comes and goes. But brain change happens through repetition, not rare moments of inspiration. Reading 10 pages daily is more powerful than reading 100 pages once a month. Exercising 20 minutes daily is better than one extreme workout followed by weeks of nothing. Small actions repeated daily slowly rewire identity. This is how discipline is built. At first, habits feel difficult because the brain resists change, but repeated actions slowly become automatic. And over time, discipline becomes easier. The people with strong mindsets are usually not superhuman. They simply learn how to keep showing up consistently, even on difficult days, and this consistency slowly transformed their brain. The simple brain reset system. Now let's put everything together. If you truly want to improve your brain, your daily lifestyle matters. Try this simple brain reset routine. In the morning, avoid using your phone immediately. Give your brain some silence first. Get sunlight, drink water. Allow your mind to wake up naturally. During the day, practice deep focus for short periods. Exercise regularly. Reduce unnecessary distractions. At night, lower screen exposure. Read something useful. Sleep properly. Simple habits may look small, but repeated daily, they completely change the brain. Your brain is always adapting, always changing, always learning from your daily actions. Every distraction, every focused session, every night of sleep, every workout, every moment of discipline, is shaping the person you are becoming. And the truth is, most people never consciously train their brain. They let the modern world train it for them. But you do have a choice. You can continue feeding your brain endless distraction, or you can slowly build a stronger mind, a calmer mind, a more disciplined mind, a more focused mind, because your future is not controlled only by talent. It is controlled by the habits you repeat every single day. And once you change your habits, you slowly change your brain. And once you change your brain, you slowly change your entire life. If you enjoyed this video and want more content about focus, discipline, brain development, and self-improvement, make sure to subscribe. And remember, your brain becomes stronger at whatever you practice most.